Hey everyone, today you are completing a motion graph matching and acceleration challenge. Now you should be used to the program because it's the same program that you used yesterday for the simulations. You'll open the document, click on that link, and be directed here. So first, plug in your name. Sorry about that. All right, and then you will pick if you are on a desktop or if you're using your iPad. I'm on my iPad, so I'm going to click touch screen. And this is a graph that could pop up to you. It should be random where every time you do it, it is a brand new graph. And your goal is to match your graph to the one that is already there. How you will do that is by adjusting the initial speed, braking rate, and accelerations. So anytime there's an initial speed or velocity, you will have needed to calculate that or figure that out from the graph that is given. And the braking rate, so when you are slowing down, so find the deceleration points on the graph and determine what that deceleration is. And for the acceleration segment on the graph, figure out what that acceleration is and plug it in. So let's say that I think that this initial speed is 10 meters per second. And then I think that the acceleration is, maybe it's going up at 3 meters per second squared. And then it is decelerating at about, for this example, I somehow came up with 5 meters per second squared for the deceleration or the braking rate. And notice that it doesn't say a negative in front of that. That's totally fine. Just because it says that it is a braking rate means that it is going to be slowing down. All right, now that I have picked those out, and you guys should actually calculate it, I'm just throwing some numbers out there for this example. You will hit the start button, but be ready to hit the gas pedal or the brake, depending on what comes up next. So I'm gonna hit start. And you can see the car moving, my blue line is moving, and meant to hit the gas pedal. There we go, finally got it. And wow, it actually looks like my acceleration rate was pretty spot on. All right, and to do that, I hit the brake. Looks like my brake rate was a little too fast for what it should be based on where the line is or the rate that the line is decelerating from the red graph. So I did not do a very good job on my graph because I wanted it to match up exactly with the red graph. It may take a couple times for you adjusting the gas pedals, but try it out and let me know if you guys have any issues with the program. What you do once you have figured out your blue line and matched it up with the red one is take a screenshot and you will paste it in your document. And then in that document, you will also show how you calculated the velocity, the acceleration, and the braking rate. Show all of your work in here. When you're done, submit it to Google Classroom. And the rest of today is, or the rest of, I guess, class period time today would be for you guys to finish up the simulations from yesterday if needed, and any other items that you may have not been able to finish over the last few days. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions or if there's anything I can help you with. Thanks.